Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen issues on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So there are a few ways to resolve this kind of issue. First of all, the problem might be the screen protection glass that you have applied on your tablet. If it's too thick, it may interfere with your touchscreen abilities. And if not, we can still adjust some settings in the settings menu. To do that, first of all, in settings we can check features on the sidebar. Then here in features, we're gonna have to go to accessibility and then find an open screen touch menu. Now here we can change the touch and hold delay, and I recommend setting it to short if your screen is poorly responsive. And if your screen is poorly responsive on the edges of your tablet, then instead we're gonna have to go to system and update, then go to features again, not system and update, features, then system navigation. Then if you have gestures selected, tap the gear icon next to gestures, and then increase the back sensitivity for both edges to easier to use your to adjust sensitivity of the edges. And now if you are experiencing this kind of issue in the game mode, then there are a couple of ways that we can adjust the touch sensitivity in here. So first of all, tap on the GameCube icon in the game mode and go to adjust operation, and here you can adjust the touch sampling rate. So if you want to increase sensitivity, use ultra high sampling rate, and also increase the sensitivity by moving the slider to the right to improve response speed. And besides, you can also disable accidental touch protection by switching the toggle to the left if you'd like. And also we can access additional sensitivity settings by tapping on this profile icon in the top right corner and then scrolling down to anti-mistouch option. And here we can, for example, disable false touch prevention and adjust some other touch settings on our tablet. Now, besides, if you're you can also, well, first of all, go to settings, then go to system and update, and check for system updates here. To do that, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, and if you have any system updates available for your device, then of course download and install the most recent software version. Then let your tablet restart, and if you already have the latest system update on your device, then simply restart your tablet by either holding down the power button for a couple of seconds and selecting restart, or force restart your tablet by holding down the power button for over 10 seconds of time. Then let your tablet restart and then check the sensitivity once again. Now, to outrule the last possibility caused by the software issue of your device, we can also try to reboot this tablet into the safe mode and disable all the third-party applications and background activities running on your tablet to see if any of them affect the way that your touchscreen behaves. And to do that, you're gonna have to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. Then, well, basically, let's force restart the tablet once again. But you can also turn it off by tapping power off option, or restart it by tapping restart. Now basically, once your tablet goes off and is about to turn on, once you see the Red Magic logo, wait for about 3 seconds and then start holding down the volume down key of your tablet until it is restarted. It will be rebooted into the safe mode, and you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your tablet screen. And right now, if you don't have any issues with your touchscreen, then this means that some background activity caused the issue. And to resolve this issue, you can either delete some previously installed applications in this mode, or just go to Settings, System and Update, then go to Reset Options and Reset App Preferences by selecting this option and tapping Reset Apps, and then restart your device into the normal mode. And if the issue persists, then to restart your device into normal mode, you're gonna have to hold down the power button and select Restart, or just force restart the device. Now, if resetting apps preferences won't help you, then you can either try to delete applications manually to identify the one that could have caused the issue, or you can also perform a factory reset operation through Settings, in System and Update, Reset Options, so in the same menu where we've previously been to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.